Ginang Photogenic is Ginang number 1, Giselle Esmar.
Hello everyone, my name is Chloe Santamera, 28 years of age, representing San Miguel Phase 1. My advocacy is about single mom.
Everyone, my name is Arinda Puli Donaire. I'm 32 years old, representing Champakati. My advocacy is building stronger families, building stronger communities, empowering today, inspiring tomorrow. Mabuhay! My name is Jennifer B. Asas. I'm 36 years old, representative ng Upper Baliti Advocacy, Batang Lansangan. Kung sakali mo po palagi ko na nasisiyamin po kung maging ang advocacy na ito para sa batang kapos na sa Lansangan.
Mabuhay! My name is Glenda Ruiz, 37, representing Guevara Compound. The advocacy is may malusog na kaisipan ng ina, may matatag na pamilya. And I thank you.